CFAM Technologies is a manufacturer of world-class extrusion equipment. We are the only manufacturer of twin-screw extruders in Africa. It started in 1998 as a research project at the Northwest University to develop and localize twin-screw extrusion for Africa. It has evolved over these years to a point that in 2007, CFAM Technologies was established as a spin-off company. Over these years, we have grown tremendously to the point where we are today, where we've received our 50th order for a twin-screw extruder recently.
We at CFAM really go the extra mile to ensure that our product is state-of-the-art in terms of technology, thereby making us world-class in our offering.
Componenten wat ons vervaardig is 'n pedalblok, 'n tight helix en 'n camelback. Hy is een van my topprioriteite. Ons hoë kwaliteit vervaardigers om ons kliënte gelukkig te hou en dit is fyn toleransie komponente wat ons sny.
It's our job to make it sure that we deliver on a world class.
CFAM Technologies is a place where I found that dreams come to life, and I always say if you can dream it, you can do it.
We are focusing specifically on how to develop nutritional, affordable foods from locally produced agricultural products. That's our aim, and we do this specifically for the emerging market.
So from the moment customers walk into the door at CFAM Technologies, the first stage is obviously the brainstorming session and a discussion in terms of the goals and objectives the customers have, but also to seek out CFAM Technologies specifically. The next stage is understanding and explaining the extrusion process. So we want to get our customers to really understand what extrusion processing is really about in terms of product development, but also our ability to be flexible and to be able to customize solutions due to our ability to manufacture locally and having in-house capabilities for advanced manufacturing. The next stage after explaining the process is to do a demonstration to show the actual process in action. And the most amazing thing is watching people see the whole process and realize actually how quick the process is between taking a raw material to a finished product. So once we've done the development process and we flavored and blended products and actually done some tasting and acceptance evaluation, then we go to the next stage, which is deciding whether or not the plant or purchasing the equipment is actually the right direction that they want to head into.
We will sit down and we'll draw up a process flow of the plant that you require based on the product that you've developed in the lab. The process flow is the basis from where all the development is done. So we would create a draft process flow diagram, and then in consultation with you as a client, we will talk through it. Most of the cases in Africa, there will be an existing building, however, and then we fit the plant and do the layout of the plant so that it fits into your existing building. The virtual plant is designed as a virtual model. After the components have been manufactured, the machines will be assembled and tested on site here at CFAM. And we will do a factory acceptance test of the plant before it leaves our premises. After that has been completed to the satisfaction of the customer, the plant is then shipped and erected on site. We get to the point where we run the plant, do the product, and make sure that it conforms to the specifications that were set initially.
Our aim is to identify the right solution for our customers, to provide them with the right equipment, and to provide the right service and the kind of support that they would need after they've purchased the equipment from us.
It was absolutely critical for me to buy the best quality. I chose this machine because of the quality, because of the people, the after-sales service, because we could see what was going on. The skill that they've got, the knowledge that they've got, the knowledge that they're prepared to give you and to have the fantastic product is unbelievable.
We don't need to go anywhere in the world when we have our expertise here in this country. Danny Foster did everything for me. It was perfect.
CFAM Technologies already established itself as a world-class manufacturer of food and feed processing equipment. We put a lot of emphasis on research and innovation, and this will ensure that we will become a top contender in the international extrusion industry.